Gratefulness to Allah cleanses the heart of greed, jealousy, and envy. Thanks are an indication to us that Allah is aware of us and helps us. Allah has guided us to become Muslim, so we should believe in Him constantly and pay due gratitude to Him. We are consistently focused on what we do not possess, instead of giving thanks unto Allah for what we do possess. All favors that Allah puts in front of us are means by which judges us. An individual of strong character knows that all of the blessings by which he resides would equate to nothing, and he would never receive them without Allah's will. Some individuals wait for special occasions to give their thanks to Allah. Working through a difficult issue or recovering from a serious disease are the moment that a lot of individuals explain their gratitude to Allah. It's great to do so, but we shouldn't restrict our thankfulness to such situations. We might instantly perceive that we are surrounded by means of numerous blessings. We live our lives, our health, our intelligence, our wealth, the provisions we eat, the water we drink, our family, and friends that we enjoy, and also all of the blessings in our lives that are placed on our own as possessions. All these blessings are graces that are granted to us by Allah. We also need to understand what we do not possess, but would like to have is also from Allah. He knows what is best for His servants. Let us be among those Muslims that keep their tongues moist with Allah's remembrance and their hearts soft with His praise. May Allah fill our hearts with the reality of thankfulness to Him, accompanied by the words and actions that flow from it.